Hi guys! So samahan nyo ako ngayon sa araw ko. So I will be vlogging it and try my best to, create some vlogs for you guys and para ma-practice din yung editing skills ko and yung pag-vlog ko. So ngayon maghahatid muna kami.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Hello, good morning. Isa pong flat white, tall, sub to non-fat milk. Kakakain ko lang ng breakfast and nagkape na din ako. Actually, andito pa nga yung ating kape. And I think kailangan natin maglinis kahit pa paano. Medyo magulo kasi naglinis ako ng mga files. So maraming mga hard drives dito sa table. And medyo magulo yung kama. Pero linisan lang natin siya saglit. That's so much better. So I think yung theme ng vlog na to is all about resetting. Trying and trying again and being consistent with it. Even if nag-fail man tayo minsan or nawala man tayo sa routine natin, let's always try to get back on track, kumbaga. So ngayon mag-edit muna ako ng mga videos namin na family trip namin. So i-edit ko yun para mapanood namin bukas or later. Kasi I've been filming actually for a year now and bawat lakad namin, kaya try namin mag-video. Although hindi ko siya maipopost since it's very personal to us sa family and there are some things na hindi namin pwede i-post sa social media and also because of privacy na din. Wala din ako permission sa mga kasama sa video na ipopost siya sa social media, so it will only be for personal consumption. But yeah, so I'm gonna edit na. Okay, so I'm currently rendering right now yung video namin last year nung pumunta kami Tagaytay and it's a kinda raw edit. I want it as raw as possible para nandun pa rin yung essence ng video namin o kaya yung mga personality namin. And again, this is only for personal consumption. Pero dito ko na-realize yung importance ng pag-video and taking pictures. Parang siya yung nagiging gateway natin para ma-relive yung mga memories natin na nangyari. For example, taking videos, capturing funny moments, capturing the scenery, capturing the problems na na-encounter during that trip. Parang na-realize natin, saya pala nun. Kasi nakikita natin yung sarili natin in a third-person perspective. And minsan, in that moment, marami tayong iniisip na problems or may mga bagay tayong iniisip. We cannot live at that moment during nung trip na yun. And ngayon lang nakikita na, masaya pala yun. Kasi nakita natin siya in the third-person perspective ng camera. And I think I want to document more of my life, especially nasa 20s na ako. I am currently 21 and I am in my early 20s and marami pa akong pagdadaanan, alam ko yun. And I want to document it and share it with you guys, just creating cinematography. Kasi na-enjoy ko yung mga bagay na ganito, yung taking videos, editing it, especially na nakikita ko yung mga funny moments, yung mga memories. And I want to continue that. But going back to the topic of our video today or our vlog today, restarting again, we just need to constantly try and never give up kung ano man ang gusto nyong gawin. Kung meron kang pangit na araw, just stand up again kinabukasan or as soon as possible. Pag mas maikli yung recovery time and you're trying again and again, mas magkakaroon ka ng growth, magkakaroon ka ng mas maraming achievements, kumbaga. I don't know if medyo malinaw to. I'm still not used to public speaking or talking to the camera and even sharing my thoughts in a very concise manner. So I think vlogging or talking to the camera is one way to practice this skill that I want to get good at. But yeah, tapos na mag-render, edit ulit tayo. So meron mga 3 to 4 videos to na i-edit ko. So ngayon nag-film tayo ng TikTok na baking cookies. So we're baking cookies right now. Tapos mamaya pupunta tayong SM Fairview para bumili ng mga baking goods. So ngayon, on the way tayo para sunduin si Miko. Bibili muna tayo ng baking goods sa SM Fairview, all about baking. And pagtapos nang papagupit tayo. And pagdating natin mamaya, i-bake na natin yung cookies. Tignan natin kung masarap yung recipe na na-search ko sa TikTok. I just got home and here's my new haircut. There it is. Side part pa din siya pero parang iba siya. Parang iba siya. Well, maligo muna tayo. Tignan mo natin kasi may pomade siya, may style. And try natin ayusin ng konti. Kakauwi lang namin. Tatapusin ko muna i-film yung cookie video. And I'll edit the vlog. And second, I'll edit the TikTok. I think we could call it a day na. And yeah, see you again tomorrow for our vlog. I try my best to vlog again. Bye guys!